Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we want to find the height of the building. So they give us the difference in pressure, they give us the density of air, and we assume gravity. So we use P is equal to rho GH, and then we just bring the gravity and density to the other side by dividing both sides. Okay, so the answer is 204 meters. Here is the Python code. It's also in the pinned comment. Just in case it's not in the pinned comment, you can pause the video and type it out yourself. There is an EES code, however I can't show you that, but it is in the pinned comment. Okay, so you can just copy and paste the code by either typing it out or use the pinned comment. This is the Python code which I wrote. Here's some common mistakes. So forgetting to use gravity, forgetting to use density. So assuming that initial pressure is 0 and assuming the final pressure is 0. So some common mistakes here. Alright, so disclaimers. I do make mistakes. I highly encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC. You can do so by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent. If you've never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once it's open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.